Nonstick pans are a must-have for cooks of all levels. From fluffy scrambled eggs and golden homemade pancakes to crispy fried rice, this kitchen essential does it all. With this type of pan, you can often reduce the amount of oil that you use. And cleaning up is simple when food slides right off the surface. With so many options to wade through, choosing the perfect ceramic coated or traditional nonstick pans can be a challenge, but we've got you covered. With this type of cookware being such a powerhouse on the market nowadays, we have taken to testing any and all options for years, and our robust processes have led us to find the very best of the best when it comes to nonstick pans. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 5 best nonstick pans you can buy in 2025. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 5. Zwilling Deep Fry Pan. The Zwilling Madura Plus Fry Pan has a rougher coating than other nonstick pans I have tested and experienced. It has a 3-layer granite nonstick coating that the brand purports is 40 times more durable than other nonstick varieties. You can use metal utensils with this pan since it is supposed to be scratch resistant. I tested it and it worked, but I didn't love the sound. This was one of the heaviest pans on our test, knocking it down in rank. People of all sizes can easily handle this pan's weight, but this was a bit heavier than the others I tested. That being said, given its depth, it's a great size that can accommodate anything from eggs to pasta. The flared rim also made flipping and pouring easier. It would have ranked better if the pan handle had stayed tight during testing, but I had to tighten the screw after just a couple of weeks, which was easy but disappointing given the brand's durability claims. Still, it's a fantastic pan if you need something more heavy duty for pork chops or steaks and slightly more texture on your pan's non-stick surface. It's safe for all cooking surfaces and the oven, but only up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which was another deduction since most people do not use their oven to finish something in a pan at that temperature. Number 4. Le Creuset Nonstick Pan. The Le Creuset 11-inch Nonstick Pro Deep Fry Pan is another pan from testing that I have kept in my kitchen. It's the nonstick pan I reach for when I need something deeper for stir fries or other large volume cooks. Its intense sloping sides make swirling and twirling ingredients a dream. Because it is electric, it is an incredibly made pan with a fabulous ergonomic handle and the classic Le Creuset name emblazoned on the handle. It's compatible with all cooktops, oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and safe for use with metal, utensils, and the dishwasher. Even though it is dishwasher safe, if you want to have this pan for a long time, use soap and water. The nonstick surface is triple reinforced with a slight texture to aid in quick browning. The pan comes with a tempered glass lid so you can steam items or keep splattery buses contained, but it can only go into the oven up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, so take care. This pan is excellent for any home cook or Le Creuset enthusiast, but it is a splurge, so it is not for all budgets. Number 3. Tramontina 10-inch Nonstick Skillet. The Tramontina 10-inch professional aluminum nonstick fry pan is advertised as the kind of pan used in restaurants, and with good reason. It's excellent. The heavy gauge aluminum ensures consistent heat throughout the pan. The pan can be used on any cooking surface and is dishwasher safe. Since it is certified by the NSF US National Sanitation Foundation for professional kitchens, you can rest assured that it is safe for home use. Even though this is an incredibly well-constructed pan, it is of great value, so you can replace it or buy another for your kitchen. The reinforced non-stick coating means eggs and other items slip out quickly and are easy to clean. The cushion handle was one of the most comfortable I tested. Its give makes it easy to maneuver the pan in any direction for swirling or flipping. It also made one of the best fried eggs during tests with lacy edges. It also made easy work of other daily tasks like reheating leftover spaghetti with meat sauce for lunch to avoid the microwave. It was also easy to clean and dishwasher safe, although you must slip off the removable handle before you do. Number 2. All-Clad HA1 Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set. I'm a big fan of All-Clad nonstick pans, considering I bought a few in my lifetime. My main set is from the brand, so I wanted something to match the rest of my pan and cookware sets. What I love about this set is that it comes with a 10 and 12-inch pan, making it an incredible value at $100. The set is versatile and easy to clean, and it also holds up nicely, assuming that you use the proper utensils and clean them properly. This set is nice because you can make large batches of stir fry in the 12-inch, but use the 10-inch for morning eggs. Both pans are anodized, heavy gauge aluminum with a stainless steel base. The pans have sleek curves with a slightly rounded lip and flare, meaning you can quickly flip items in the pan with one hand. The double riveted stainless steel handle feels secure when cooking and is oven safe up to 500 degrees Celsius. The pan is compatible with any cooktop, including glass and induction. We recommend washing this with soap and a non-abrasive sponge rather than putting it into the dishwasher, since that will extend the life of its exterior coating. Number 1. Made in Cookware Pro Coat 10-inch Nonstick Frying Pan. The 11-inch Made in Nonstick Frying Pan stood out as a top choice during testing due to its thoughtful design and construction. Each pan boasts a unique 5-layer construction utilizing metal and stainless steel, ensuring consistent and even heating for various cooking tasks. The professional-grade non-stick cooking surface is FDA approved, allowing for healthy cooking without the concern of food sticking. This versatile frying pan is compatible with gas, electric, and induction cooktops, and it is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature grants home cooks the convenience of transitioning seamlessly between stovetop cooking and oven finishing, making it an ideal tool for many recipes. During testing, eggs slid out effortlessly, demonstrating the effectiveness of the non-stick surface. Cleaning the pan was a breeze, which is a considerable advantage for anyone who dreads dishwashing. Another notable feature is the Stay Cool handle, which ensures safe handling even when cooking at high temperatures, so you never need to worry about burning your hands. The durability of the pan is impressive, leading to confidence that it will withstand regular use over time. It feels substantial, exuding a quality and luxurious vibe that is often absent in typical kitchenware. One point of consideration is the cooking surface size. While it is great for individual servings, such as eggs or fish, it may prove too small for flipping multiple pancakes at once. However, if your cooking style leans towards preparing single portions or you appreciate cooking with minimal oil, this frying pan does not disappoint. In conclusion, the made-in non-stick frying pan combines durability, functionality, and ease of use, making it a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.